Hi, in this video so I'm going to completely reset this Nintendo Switch Lite and it's going to be sold on. So this is going to be putting it back to factory settings. It's very easy to do. You will have to be connected to the internet. Because I've only got 20% remaining on my battery, I'm also plugging it in because I don't want it to go dead halfway through the reset. So make sure you've got plenty of life in there, or just plug in the charger and make sure you're connected to the internet. Also, when you're setting it on, make sure that there is no game cartridge in here or any SD card down here. If you do have to remove the SD card, turn off the console first, push it in a little bit, and then it just pops out. It enables you to pull it out, because otherwise you're going to give the next buyer 2 nice freebies. Right, okay, we need to go into system settings and we need to go all the way down here until we get to system, and then we need to go all the way down here until we get to formatting options. And we need to go all the way down again until we go to restore factory settings, and it's just saying that all the data in the system memory, including the software data, save data, screenshots, video and user information, will be deleted, restoring the console to factory settings. So we're going to go to next. Next is connecting to the internet. Once the console has been restored to factory settings, the deleted data cannot be recovered. Are you sure you want to continue? This will take some time to complete. I am, because it's going to be sold on, so I don't care that everything's going to get wiped from it. Restore factory settings. A system update is required. Please perform a system update via the home menu. Okay, so I've got to update it first. So let's go back one and go up to here. System update. This hasn't been used in a long time. And I'm going to update it. So when you reset it to factory settings, it's not the same as factory settings because it will still be on the latest update on the console. So it's not going to put it back to a year or 2 or 3 or 4 years previously as far as the system is concerned. Obviously, if your system's up to date, you won't have to do this bit that I'm doing now. Right, let's go through it again. System settings, system, formatting options, restore factory settings, next, next. Wait for that to go in red like that, and restore factory settings. Restoring factory settings, do not touch the power button. And we have a little bar here that's going to start working its way across. So I'm going to gently put that down there. I've still got my power connected, and I'm going to wait for that to go through. Right, we're nearly there now. That was lucky because it binged at me to let me know the console was low, although I had the charger plugged in, it wasn't actually on the wall. So we're at 96%. Let's see what happens when it gets to 100%. 99. Factory settings restored. The console will power off shortly. And there we go. That's it. It's powered off. So you can just unplug it now and you will be able to sell it on knowing that all your data has gone from there. And watch this. If we turn it on now, we should get the initial startup. There we go. So it should say what language we want. Better plug it in actually. There we go. So we got the red splash screen. There we are. So you can see now it's been reset because it's asking for the language. So it's nice and straightforward to do. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching.